Book number 3, Fig Tree, True Long God, First Talk. All friend, God he help him all man Israel, blong all he runway, long enemy blong all keda. Yemi save lan long all keda. Listen long recording ya, mo look long narvala picture, long brown book, time you harem noise ya.
Picture number 1. Joshua he make him fight long old man Amalekite. Exodus chapter 17 verse 8 kasem 13. Old man Israel oli nokat place long olketa. Olketa oli stop round long try place ya. Moses hemi lit up long olketa. Hemi chusum one young fella man named long hem Joshua long hemi head long old man long fight. Old man Amalekite ya oli attack him old man Israel. Mo Moses itale long Joshua. You fella iko fight against long old man Amalekite. Me by me stand up on top long hill with them walking stick long God. Joshua with them old man Israel only make him fight with them old man Amalekite. Be hand long Moses itait, mo hem in no save left him up, hand long hem iko on top long God. Mo old man Amalekite only stop winning fight there. Mo tufala man I help Moses long left him up, hand long hem iko on top kasem afternoon. God hem I help him Joshua long winning old man Amalekite. Picture number 2. Old man oli go long Canaan long look save place, mo look save all fruit. Joshua chapter 13 verse 1, mo chapter 14 verse 35. God hemi promise long give him crown ya long old man Israel. Mo Moses hemi send them 12 man long look save place ya. After we 40 day I pass, oli come back, mo talem wanem we oli look. Joshua mo Caleb, tu fala I karem kut fala report. Tu fala I talem place ya I kut we I also milk mo suka pak, crown I rich kut. Hemia sunflower fruit we mifla I take him long way. Pe old man we oli stop, long hem oli strong to mass. Pe nothing no more you fla in a fright long old man ya. Suppose God hemi stop with him yumi, hempa ilitim yumi iko long place ya. Pe all nara flaman ya we oli karem no good report, oli talem se, all man Canaan oli sem all chain, tabol bun man. Oli make him all man Israel oli fright long go long Canaan. Mo God hemi cross to mass from oli not trust him. Mo hem I let them all get a oli stop long try place back again long narafala 40 year. All man Israel ya we oli no listen long God oli dead long try place. Picture number 3. All man long Israel oli cross him river. Joshua chapter 1 verse 1 kasem 9, mo chapter 3 verse 1 kasem 17. After when Moses is dead, Joshua hemi come lit up long old man Israel. Mo God hemi talem long Joshua. Now ya you mo old man long you fla ireri long cross him Jordan river, long go long bless ya whereby me give him long you fala. God hemi talem long Joshua, one em long make him. All priest long Israel only got one special box. Low long God hemi stop inside where God hemi write them long stone ya. God hemi talem long olketa long oli karem box iko long river. River hemi stop run. Pe all priest ya oli putum leg long olketa long water. River is stop long run mo it dry. All prisya oli stanap long metal long river. Mo all man oli stop crossing water iko long Canaan long tribeless. Picture number 4. Big fella stone wall long Jericho I fall down. Joshua chapter 6 verse 1 kasem 27. All man long Israel only camp long Canaan, close up long Scythia, named long hem Jericho. Mokot italem long Joshua. Mimi let them Jericho long hand long you finish. March round long city with them every man long fight, long 6 days. Make them 7 priests with them pupu. By only walk out long forest long pokisya long God. Long 7 days, march round long city 7 times. With them all priests will only stop blowing pupu. Now make them all get everyone only sing out big one. Now big fella stone wall long town ya by I broke I fall down. More all people only save go inside. Joshua with them all man ya only make him one name where God italem. Big fella stone wall long Jericho I fall down. Mo all man Israel only win him city ya. Be God italem long all man Israel say. By only no mas take him any something long algeta. Picture number 5. I win him online long Israel. Joshua chapter 7 verse 1 kasem 12. I hemi one narafala enemy city close up long Jericho. Joshua hemi must win him too. Mo hemi send them some man long look place long city ya. All man ya only come back. Mo talem. Ino need long yumi everyone iko make him fight long all man ya. All keta only no plante. Now Joshua him is send them small number long army no more only go fight against all man I. Be all man I only win him online long Israel. Some long all man Israel only dead. Mo everyone only run long save him life long all keta. Joshua hemi bow down long face long God. Be God italem say, Israel hemi sin. Only stealing more kiaman from something ya. Only no save win him all enemy long all geta. Picture number 6. Judgment long Akan. Joshua chapter 7 verse 14 more chapter 8 verse 29. Joshua hemi take him every man Israel I come together before long God. God hemi show him long Joshua say hemi Akan where hemi make him in a straight long hem. Joshua italem long Akan. Talem long me one him now you make him. Mohagan hemi talem. Hemi true. Me make him in a good long God. Time me find him one flash clothes, silver with him one coal, more me carry him everyone. Some man only find him all something ya where Hakan is steal him, more hide him long tent long hem. Now Hakan hemi dead all same where God italem. Now God hemi lego cross long hem mo italem say. Carry him every man long fight. Mo go attack him I. You fla enough right. Me let him finish city ya long hand plong you fala. Hemi plong you fala. Mo Israel hemi listen long God. Mo only stand up strong plong fight against I. Mo only win him I. Picture number 7. Sun mo moon to fly is stop. Joshua chapter 10 verse 1 kasem 14. All man plong Canaan only fright long man Israel. All 5 tribe only come together long fight against long Israel. Be God italem long Joshua. You no fright long olgeta. Now Joshua with them all man long fight long hem iko long fight them all tribe ya. Mod all tribe ya only run way. God hem is sakem all big falla stone long eyes long all enemy ya. Mo full up long olgeta it dead. Fight is stop full day. Mo Joshua italem say, Son, you no move, you stop one place. Mo God I make him sun mo moon I no move. I stop one place kasem time where Israel I win him all enemy plong him. I never cut one narafalate all semya. God hemi help him all man Israel plong only mas win him all no good tribe ya plong Canaan. Picture number 8. Joshua I talk very long all man. Joshua chapter 23 verse 1. Mo chapter 24 verse 28. Canaan hemi come place plong all man Israel all sem God I promise long hem. Time Joshua hemi all fala hemi sing out them every man plong come one place. Hem italem long all geta. Yifla imas strong. Yifla imas look out good. Mo yifla imas listen good. Long every something we only write them long book long law long God. Suppose yifla is safe him all narafla God. Pampa yifla ilus long good fla place where God I give him long yifla. Make him think long you today by you save him who. All man everyone only promise long save him God. All friend, God hemi keep him every promise long him long Joshua mo Israel. Hemi keep him one place long olgeta. Hemi win him enemy long olgeta. God hemi promise long you me long one place long heaven where in no cut end long him. God hemi keep him all promise long him. Enemy plong yumi hemi Satan. Pe yumi kat one beautiful lida where I win him Satan finish. Hemi Lord Jesus Christ. Yumi must save him mo obey him. Now today yumi must choose who whereby yumi save him. Picture number 9. Deborah italem talk plong God. Judges chapter 4 verse 1 kasem 9. After where Joshua is dead, all man Israel only tanem all geta long God. Only worship all kiaman God plong all man Canaan. Now God I give him Israel long hand plong all man Canaan. Mo only treat him all geta no good. Deborah hemi one wise woman where hemi one church plong Israel. All man only stop come long hem plong harem some good fla talk. Hemi trying plong tanem all geta ikopak long God plong Israel. One day hemi sing out them parak lita plong army plong Israel. Woman ya italem long hem. Karem 10,000 man iko anta plong hill tapa. Sisera mo all man plong fight plong Canaan by only come plong fight with them you. By God I give him you victory over long hem. Barak hemi fright, hem italem long Deborah. Suppose you no go with me, by me no go. Now Deborah italem say, by me go with them you. Be God by I give him power long woman over long Sisera. Mo by only no talem name plong you long fight ya pe name plong me. Picture number 10. God hemi help him all geta only win him Sisera. Judges chapter 4 verse 10 kasem 17. Mo chapter 5 verse 19 kasem 21. Deborah mo parak mo all Israelite oli kolong hill tapa. Sisera mo every army plong all man Canaan oli ko plong fight them all keta. Sisera ikat plante chariot. All Israelite oli holem knife no mo long hand plong all keta. All man Canaan oli come long river close up long hill tapa. Be chariot plong all keta ino save pass through iko long hill ya. Mo big flood water iron mo karem all keta everyone. Mo all army plong Israel oli winim all army plong Canaan. Mo all army plong Canaan oli tet. Sisera iron way long lake no mo. Picture number 11. Jail ikilim Sisera. Judges chapter 4 verse 17 kasem 24. Sisera hemiko long tent plong one woman named plong hem jail. Jail italem long hem. Come inside, you no fright. Jail hemi no one woman Israel. Mo Sisera hemi go hide long tent plong woman ya. Hemi kifi milk plong drink. Mo cover up hem long blanket. Mo Sisera hemi sleep. Now jail take him iron plong tent with them hammer. Hemi walk out slow go long place where Sisera stop sleep. Hemi planem iron ya long head long Sisera. Mo hemi hammerem koko break him pun plong head plong hem go through long crown. Same time parak come stop look out them Sisera. Jail hemi sing out them hem go long tent plong hem. Italem long hem. You come, buy me sowe mania where you stop look out them hem. Sisera lay down itet where head plong hem anya go through long hem kasem crown. Picture number 12. Israel is celebrate. Judges chapter 5 verse 1 kasem 31. Hemia God where hemi give him power long all man Israel, long only win him all man Canaan. Deborah mo parak tufla is sing all sing plong talem thank you long God. All man only glad too. Only glad plong kat 1 liter all sem Deborah. Hemi all sem mama plong all keta. Only praise him child too. From him enough right long Sisera. God usum to fla woman ya long sefem Israel. All friend, God hemi usum all geta we only no strong. Long overcome all geta we only strong. Yumi too, yumi got strong enemy. But God hemi sent them Lord Jesus Christ long sefem yumi from Satan. All no good man only kill him Jesus. Only thing say hemi no got power. But God hemi make him Jesus alive back again long death. Hemi win him Satan mo every man no good. Jesus ba I give him power long all geta we only trust them God mo obey long God. Mo yumi ma sing mo glad too. Mo worship him through God ya.
Picture 13. Gideon, more angel long God. Judges chapter 6 verse 1, Kokasem verse 24. All man Israel only disobey God, more make him no good. Now God he led them, all man Midian only rule him all got along 7 years. All man Midian only spoil him all current belong all man Israel. Now Israel, he cry, he go along God, long help him altogether. One day, one man named belong him Gideon, he stop karam kakai, belong wheat. Him he stop, drive belong hide, long all man Midian. One time no more, one angel belong high God, he come out long Gideon, modalam long him say, you go more save him all man Israel, long hand blong ol Midian. Pe Gideon say, how now me save help Israel, me nothing no more. Now God tell him say, by me stop with you. Gideon, he give him some kakai long angel, now he touch him long stick blong him. Now ya no more, flame he come out, more angel he loose. Now Gideon, he save say message ya, he come long God. Picture 14. Gideon is spoil him all kiaman God. Judges chapter 6 verse 25 kokasem 32. Family blong Gideon, he worship him Baal mo Asera, kiaman God blong Canaan. God tell him long Gideon, you pull him down altar blong Papa blong you, where he stop worshiping Baal long him. Mo cut him down Asera long stick lo sab long him. Mo build him one straight altar, he go long God. Gideon emi fried long all people, but yet emi want them obey long God. Now long night ya, emi take him 10 man, mo only pull him down all kiaman Kodia. All the people only cross Tumas, mo only want them kill him Gideon, pe Papa blong him, he block him. All friend, God emi got more power, he beat them all kiaman God. Long wood or stone, you must obey him, God all time. Picture 15. Army blong Gideon, only drink water. Judges chapter 7 verse 1, kokasem verse 7. Gideon, he gather one army, long all man Israel. All the man Midian, only come one bless, long fight them Israel. Be God idalam long Gideon, you got plenty man to mas. Suppose one man is the fright, hemi save go home. Be God idalam long Gideon, back again. Still, you got plenty man yet. You karam all kata I go down long water, mo me by me test them all kata blong you. Now Gideon, he take him all man blong him, he go long drink water. Full up man, only kneel down, mo drink water all same dog he drink. But he got 300 man, no more only drink water long hand blong all geta. Now God he tell him 300 man ya, we only drink water long hand blong all geta, by me use him blong win him all man Midian. Picture 16. All man blong Gideon, only round him come blong all man Midian. Judges chapter 7, verse 12, kokasem verse 25. Big fella army blong all man Midian, only come long one valley. Only got blande we blande man, more all camel, where you no save count them. Gideon, he got no more 300 man. But God he tell him long him, one him he must make him. Gideon he give him one poo-poo, more one stick fire, he got flame, more only put him inside long one container. Only round him all man Midian, long middle, long night. Now long same time no more, only make him big full of noise. Only blow long poo-poo more kill him, break him all container, more cry out, big one, more tell him, knife blong fight blong high God, more blong Gideon. All man Midian, only sick, more confused. Now only start blong kill him, all gada only dead. More only runway, long come blong all gada, more all man Israel, only win him all gada everyone. All friend, nothing suppose you me no strong, Mo yumi no blande, olsem olman blong Gideon. Be wedem help blong God, yumi save winem bigfele enemia, Satan. Picture 17. Samson, he kill him one lion. Judges, chapter 13, verse 1, Ikokasim chapter 14, verse 20. Time Gideon he dead. All man Israel, all he go back, long way long God back again. Mo God he tell him, all man no good long Palestine, all he punish him altogether. Now God he send him one leader where he get power belong save seven Israel. Name belong him Samson. Spirit belong God he make him is strong way. Samson and he love him one woman belong Palestine. Now he tell him long Papa belong him. Please, you take him woman ya, he blow me. From where me like him. Now time Samson is stop go long place belong woman belong him. One lion he come out from him. He want them kakai him. But Samson he strong too much. Now he kill him lion ya long hand belong him no more. He married them woman Palestine. Picture 18. Samson with them all fox, where fire he burn them all together. Judges chapter 15, verse 1, verse 17. Samson he go long Palestine from wife belong him. Pe Papa belong woman, he give him he go long marry them, narvla man finish. Now Samson he tell him say, now ya Pambay mi go long Palestine, mo make save all gada. And mi go now, mo kasim 300 fogus. I fasim all gada long tail blong all gada, 2. Now, I fasim fire where I light long all fox. Mo let them all gada all I go long all karan, long all weed, long all man Palestine. Now fire I burn him every karan with ya. All gada long Palestine, all he cross good long Samson. All he try and long kill him. But Samson, he carry him chobon long donkey, mo he kill him 1,000 man Palestine with him. Picture 19. All man Palestine, all he got them hair belong Samson. Judges, chapter 16, verse 4, verse 22. All he never got them hair belong Samson before. Long hair belong him, and he sign, say him he belong God, where he make him, he strong good. But Samson, he continue belong disobey long God. And he go from narvla woman, name belong him, Delilah. Him he try belong find him secret from one him Samson is strong too much. Mo in no long time, Samson he tell him long him. Say, Mama mo Papa belong me, he give him me go long God. Suppose all he got him hair belong me, by me lose him Pablo me. One night, time Samson is sleep, Delilah he sing out them all man Palestine, or he got them hair belong him. Now God he lego Samson, mo pa belong him he lose. All man Palestine, all he fasten tight Samson, mo carry out I belong him. All he put him long calaboose. Be hair belong him, he start belong grow back again. Picture 20. Samson I winem ol man Palestine. Judges chapter 16 verse 23 okasem 31. Ol man Palestine oli make him sacrifice iko long idol god long olgeta. Oli bring him Samson out long kalapus mo put him hem long middle long big fella house long play long hem. Pe Samson I pray iko long God. You think about me, but you give him back power long me one time more. Now Samson, I touch him to fill a post long middle long house. Now I push him to fill with him last power more house ya, I fall down long everyone. Samson more all lida long Palestine all he dead. God he give him Samson victory long all man Palestine. But from say, you no obey, and me no stop long look, victory. All friend, suppose you me give him you me long God, by him me give him you me, power long win him Satan, more all gada, plan long all spirit way all no good. But you me must use him power ya, long save him God. Picture number 21. Jesus, he run him out all no good spirit. Luke chapter 8, verse 26, kokasem verse 39. Jesus is tablong Israel blande year after Gideon mo Samson. One day, he may meet him one man, where all no good spirit, all is tablong him. Mania igam fall down long Jesus. Mo tell him, Mimi make him want him. Long you, Jesus, begin any blong high God. All kada no good spirit ya, all is have say Jesus, hemi begin any blong God. Jesus, italam long all no good spirit, blong leko mania. Now all no good spirit, all he go inside long all big. Mo all big, all he run, he go long soul water, mo all he drown. Now all people, all he start long looks at Jesus. He get power over long Satan. Ma all no good spirit. All got the spirit too. All he save. All he must obey long Jesus. Picture 22. Jesus, he run him out all man no good. Luke chapter 19, verse 45, kokasem verse 48, mo John chapter 2, verse 13, kokasem verse 31. One day, Jesus he go long house, long prayer, long God, long Jerusalem. He got all people, all he stop sell, long house, long God. All he stop sell him, all animal, long sacrifice. Be all he stop make him, money, long all get no more. Where all he stop rabum good olgeda. Now Jesus he cross, and midalam long olgeda. House me, he must stop all same all time. House long prayer. But you fella he make him become all same house long still man. Now when me run him, all no good people, yeah, all he go with them all animal, everyone outside. Jesus and me beginning he belong God. He got right, or authority, more power, long run him out all no good man outside, long house, long prayer, long papa, long him. Be samvele you, all he gross, mo tell him say, Ale you so mifala, say you got right, long make him something ya. Jesus he answer back, you save spolen body blow me long 3 days. Be me save kira back again. Picture 23. Jesus and me life after long dead. Luke chapter 24 verse 46, kokasem verse 48, mo Matthew chapter 27 verse 33, kokasem chapter 28 verse 20. All no good man, all he kill him Jesus. oli nilem hem long gross, moi dead. But long number 3 day, hem he life back again. God he give him Jesus power long dead. By ino save dead, back again. Now all man, oli look say Jesus, hem he true pikinini blong God. Jesus, he dalam long all follower blong him. All get the power, God he give him long me, long heaven mo long walia. You will go long all get the people, long every bless, mo make him all get he come man blow me. Teach him all get long obey every something, me tell him long yuvala, mo buy me stop with him yuvala, always no more. Jesus, he got power over long Satan, sin mo dead. And me give him life, where no save finish long all the way only follow him. Mo hemi want them yumi, blong serum message blong him, with them every people. Picture 24. Soldier blong God. Ephesians chapter 6, verse 10, verse 18. Jesus he win him Satan. Jesus he give him me power blong save stand up against long Satan. You must prepare also one soldier or man blong fight blong God, where he ready blong go long fight. For something, you must stop tell him all true talk. You need him true talk every time also one strap where he go round long you. You must stop like him all narval man, must stop make him when him way straight. Hemi also close blow fight, long blog him all kada ting long Satan long you. You must tell him long all narval man about Jesus mo fasten blong him. Hemi also put blong blog him you blong no save fall down he go long all way blong Satan. You must trust him God, long stop hold him. You is stop save. Hemi also seal, long block him you long all attack, long Satan. Jesus is save him you long all punish, long sin, long you. Hemi also hard, long block him spirit, long you long he no save dead all time. Talk blong God, where me Bible. He also knife blong fight. You must use him blong win him Satan. You must talk long God, long prayer, mo obey long all command long him. Now you do, is have a victory over long Satan. Sin mo dead, go ino save finish.